Students, under this chapter, acid, bases and salts, we are going to conduct small experiments today to find out whether our given substance, whether it's acid, alkali or a neutral substance. So we need to know whether the given substance is acidic or alkaline or neutral. So to find out all these three things, we need to carry out some simple experiments. So let's start with the experiment. Students, to find out whether the given substance is acidic or basic, we need two types of litmus paper. This is blue litmus paper and this is red litmus paper. Now what should happen in acidic solution? What should happen? Which litmus paper should get others agree? Blue litmus to red. Okay. And what should happen the other way? Means for alkaline density, red litmus to blue. And what should happen for neutral? No change. Now let's see. Okay, let me try not with this first. This is just plain water. Plain water I can just directly use. What should happen? Blue litmus and blue remains same. You also see that. What is baking soda? What do you think is baking soda? A base. So what should happen? So it is. If I use the same solution, that is it. And now I am using instead of water. So you come to know the litmus paper. pH is a scale from 0 to 14. This side is acidic and this side is alkaline or basic. Or alkaline. So let us see. Now just see whether it relates to the what is the pH given corresponding to this line. Is it coming in alkaline? Firstly. No, it's not. Okay, at least it is basic, but it is not exact as they said, but it's in that range. Yeah, it is above that, but it is in alkaline. So this gives an idea to what, now let's try with acidic acid. This is acid, so maybe what color chart, where you say that what color range. So it is less than 7, that means it is acidic. So it may not be exact, but this pH tells us how acidic it is. Strong acid, weak acid, strong alkaline, weak alkaline, etc. We are kept on this. Can into that. It happens both at all. Go and draw on. Yeah. So now show it. The piece red. Okay? Yeah, and no litmus shall I use or it will be erased. I feel not erased. Before trying the Indian litmus paper, what do you think should be the solution of a two-phase tube? Acidic, basic or alkaline? Yes, sir. Basic or alkaline is same here. Acidic, basic or basic. Basic. Okay, he says basic. So which litmus paper you will go with and tell us. Show us. I will. It feels so nice. Yes. Yes. Let's make it. So students, we have learned through use of red and blue litmus paper to know the type of solution. To know the type of solution means we will know whether the given solution is acidic, alkaline or neutral. So use of red and blue litmus tell us that means what type of solution is it. Then secondly, we used pH paper
which is used to find out strength of acids and bases. What does that mean? That means given acid is how strong or weak, and same is for base, whether the base is strong base or weak base. So use of pH paper tells us about the strength of acid or given base.